Hi, this is Fatima. Here let us discuss how to create strongly typed view in ASP.NET Core MVC application with examples. Before proceeding to this video, watch my previous video where we have discussed about view back in ASP.NET Core MVC application. Why do we need this strongly typed view in ASP.NET Core MVC? As we already discussed, we can pass the model data to the view using many different ways such as view data, view back, etc. Then why do we need this strongly typed view? Because when we pass the model data to the view using view data or view back, then the view becomes a loosely typed view. In a loosely typed view, we will not get any IntelliSense support as well the compile time error checking. But with this strongly typed view, we will get both IntelliSense support as well the compile time error checking. In order to create a strongly typed view in ASP.NET Core MVC, we need to specify the model type within the view by using @model directive. So let us see this with examples. This is an ASP.NET Core web application we have created with a simple empty project template. Let us use this project to implement strongly typed view in ASP.NET Core MVC. In order to create a strongly typed view from the action method of the controller, we need to pass the model object as a parameter to this view extension method. If we go to the definition of the controller base class, the controller base class provides us the two overloaded versions of view extension method which can use to pass the model object from the controller action method to the view. Here let us use this overloaded version which takes only the model object as an input parameter. So let us modify the details action method of the home controller class to pass the product model as a parameter to this view extension method. So let me comment these lines. Pass this product model object as a parameter to this view extension method. And now let us change this details.cshtml view page. In order to create a strongly typed view in ASP.NET Core MVC, we need to specify the model type within the view by using @model directive. As here the product class is going to be our model, we need to specify this model in that view page. Order management dot models dot product. So this statement will tell this view that we are going to use this product as a model for this view. The point we need to remember is that here in this directive @model, m is in the lower case and this statement should not be terminated with a semicolon. In order to access the model object properties, we can simply use @model, but this m should be in uppercase. So if we misspell any of this property name, then it comes to know at the compile time itself. So the chances of misspelling the properties and making the typographical errors are almost zero. The strongly typed views are created by using this @model directive only. So let me remove this line. Now also we can access the properties of the product model object that we pass to this view extension method in details view page. But now this is not a strongly typed view, so if we misspell any of this property name, it will not provide any IntelliSense support, and there is a chances of misspelling and making typographical errors. So in order to avoid this, we have to create a strongly typed view that specifies the model type in this view using @model directive. So with this line we are telling the view that we are going to use this product object as a model by using this @model directive. So now with these changes in place, now let's run the application. And navigate to the URL home controller details action method. You will see the data as expected in this web page. The most important point we have to note here is that we will be easily mixed up with the model that begins with a caps M and the model that begins with a small m. The small m model is directive used to declare the type of the view model, and the model that's beginning letter M with the capital letter is a variable used to access that view model. The advantages of using strongly typed view in ASP.NET Core MVC application. It will provide the compile time error checking. As a result, we will get the IntelliSense support. With IntelliSense support, the chances of misspelling the properties and making the typographical errors are almost zero. If we misspell the property name, then it comes to know at the compile time rather at the runtime. So the best preferred approach in ASP.NET Core MVC to pass the data from the controller action method to the view is by using the strongly typed view model object. So if we see in our example, we are still using the view bag to pass the header and the title from the controller action method to the view. Then definitely there must be a question, then how we will pass this header and the title to the strongly typed view. Well, in such scenarios we need to use view specific model, which is called view model. Hope you enjoyed this video. Our next video is about view model in ASP.NET Core MVC application. Thank you.